An aurora, also commonly known as the northern lights, is a natural light display in Earth's sky, predominantly seen in high-latitude regions. Auroras display dynamic patterns of brilliant lights that appear as curtains, rays, spirals, or dynamic flickers covering the entire sky. Auroras are the result of disturbances in the Earth's magnetosphere caused by the solar wind. Major disturbances result from enhancements in the speed of the solar wind from coronal holes and coronal mass ejections. These disturbances alter the trajectories of charged particles in the magnetospheric plasma. These particles, mainly electrons and protons, precipitate into the upper atmosphere. The resulting ionization and excitation of atmospheric constituents emit light of varying color and complexity. The form of the aurora, occurring within bands around both polar regions, is also dependent on the amount of acceleration imparted to the precipitating particles. They are caused by the collision of charged particles from the Sun with atoms in Earth's atmosphere. The Sun constantly releases a stream of charged particles called solar wind. When these particles reach Earth, they are deflected by the planet's magnetosphere, which is a region of charged particles around Earth. However, some of the particles can enter the magnetosphere through funnels near the north and south poles. As the charged particles collide with atoms and molecules in Earth's atmosphere, especially nitrogen and oxygen, energy is released. This energy emission creates the colorful auroras. The color of the aurora depends on the type of gas molecule that is struck. Collisions with oxygen create green or red lights, while nitrogen collisions create a blue or violet color. The northern lights are best seen during the equinoxes, spring and fall, when the Earth's magnetic field is tilted most directly towards the Sun. They are also best viewed on clear nights away from light pollution. The northern lights have held cultural significance for many civilizations throughout history. They have been seen as a sign of good or bad omens and have inspired myths and legends.